Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is
What characteristics make angina stable, unstable? The answer of the question is angina can be categorized as stable or unstable based on specific characteristics. Stable angina 1. Predictable pattern. Stable angina typically follows the predictable pattern in terms of onset, duration, and triggers. For example, it often occurs during a physical exertion, emotional sets, or after heavy meals. Relief with rest or medication. The chest pain or discomfort associated with stable angina usually subsides with rest or medications like nitroglycerin that dilate coronary arteries and improve blood flow to the heart muscle. 3. Consistency. Episodes of stable angina tend to be consistent in terms of severity and duration, do not usually increase in frequency or instantly suddenly. 4. Medical history. Patients with stable angina often have a known history of coronary artery disease, CAD, or risk factors such as hypertension, diabetes, or high cholesterol. Unstable angina. 1. Unpredictable pattern. Unstable angina is characterized by an unpredictable pattern of chest pain or discomfort. It can occur at test during minimal physical activity or even while sleeping. Increased severity of or frequency. Episodes of unstable angina are often more severe, prolonged, or frequent compared to stable angina. They may also be accompanied by other symptoms such as shortness of breath, sweating, nausea, or palpitations. 3. Not relieved by rest or medication. Unlike stable angina, the pain associated with unstable angina may not be relieved by rest or nitroglycerin. It may persist despite treatment and may indicate a worsening condition that could lead to a heart attack. Medical emergency. Unstable angina is considered a medical emergency because it can progress to a heart attack. Myocardial infarction. If not promptly treated, it requires immediate medical attention and evaluation in a hospital setting. Understanding these characteristics helps healthcare providers differentiate between stable and unstable angina and guide appropriate management and treatment strategies for each condition. So that's the correct answer to the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.